Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. The Lord your God is with you. He will lead the way. When the path feels narrow and the night feels long, I will trust your promise. You are ever strong. You go before me, you walk beside me. Your presence is my peace. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. The Lord your God is with you wherever you may go. Be strong and courageous. Lift your eyes and see. You are holding my tomorrow. I will trust in me. When the waters rise around me and my heart feels weak, I will hold on to your word. You are all I need. Every step I'm taking, you have gone before. Your faithfulness surrounds me now and evermore. You are my refuge, you are my shelter. I will rest in you. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. The Lord your God is with you. Yes, your God. Wherever you may go, wherever you may. Be strong and courageous. In your truth I stand. You are holding my tomorrow, in your mighty hand. Be strong, stand firm, yeah, the word don't lie. Courage in my chest, got the Lord by my side. When the road gets dark, I ain't shaking inside. Joshua 1:9, yeah, the promise alive. He said, don't be afraid, don't let fear speak loud. I walk by faith, not moved by the crowd. Every step I take, yeah, he already there. Presence of the Father got me covered in prayer. Fear tried to rise, but it don't have a place. Power in his name, yeah, I run this race. Peace in my mind, got my heart standing still. Trust in the Lord, yeah, I'm living his will. From the valley low to the mountain high, God with me always, never passing me by. Strong and courageous, yeah, that's how I live. All glory to Jesus for the strength that he's strong and courageous. Be strong, I will trust your word. I will trust your word. Your presence goes before me. Faithful, mighty Lord. Faithful, mighty